In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix Node.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it. Take note of your system type and simply open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down, and then you have to click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows 11 and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Then copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, right click and then select paste, click on continue. Once done, close the remaining windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Second step, open a browser again, search for Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. So update your Windows because that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs and can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.